Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is from Italy, Italian cuisine. We are going to make a pesto sauce. Now, pesto sauce is usually made with pine nuts and basil leaves, of course, but today we are going to make it with walnuts. I prefer walnuts because our family loves walnuts and they are loaded with nutrition. So I think this is a better option, but you can make with either of them, walnuts or pine nuts. And the basil leaves really lend a very nice flavor to this sauce. There's a little bit of cheese also in this, and the pasta tastes so good when you make it with this pesto sauce. So let's proceed to make walnut pesto sauce. Here are the ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of basil leaves, washed them well, handful of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of cheese, 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now transfer all these ingredients into the grinding jar. No water is added, just it grinds with the help of the oil. Grind everything to a smooth paste. This is a very flavorful Italian sauce used for pasta usually. Remove it into a bowl, or you can even store it in an airtight jar. This stays good for a few days in the refrigerator. You can even freeze it and use as and when required. The aroma of basil leaves is really amazing. Here the sauce is ready for you. You can use this flavorful sauce to make pasta. Apart from making pasta, I also use it in sandwiches and also salad dressings to flavor your soups little bit. So you can use it in many ways. It's a versatile sauce. So friends, do give it a try. This flavorful sauce is really very good. I hope you are enjoying my recipes. If you are liking my videos, do share them with your friends. We'll soon be back with another interesting recipe for you. Happy cooking until then. Stay safe. Have a good day. If you are a first time visitor, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check these out too. Thank you.